Hello guys, welcome to a new easy tutorial video, where today I will show you how to create a fire logo reveal in After Effects, like this one. Before we start, go to the link in the description and download the free Saber plugin from Video Copilot and install it in your After Effects. So let's start. First, we are going to import our logo. Create a new composition and name it Fire Logo Reveal. I'm using the Full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 10 seconds long. Create a new solid and name it Particles. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the CC Particles System Second. Drag this effect into your composition. Place this center point like this, to make the particles expand from the bottom. Now, open Physics and change Animation to Direction. Change the velocity value to 0.5. And the gravity to 0. Open Particle and change the particle type to Faded Sphere. Also change the birth size and the death size to 0.1. I am going to change the birth color to some orange color, so they look like fire particles. Open the producer and change the radius X and the radius Y to 100. Change the birth rate to 1. Click T on your keyboard to open the opacity, change this value to 70%. Let's preview it. Your particle's background should look like this. Now, drag your logo into your composition. You can use a text layer too. Right-click on it and pre-compose it. Name it Logo. Don't forget to check this option. Go to Layer, and select Auto Trace. Change your channel to luminance, and be sure to have this option checked. Rename this new layer, Fire. Now, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Saber plugin that you have just installed. Apply it to your fire layer. Change the preset to Fire. Open Customize Core, and change the core type to Layer Mask. Move to the first frame, and click on the End Offset stopwatch to create a keyframe. Change its value to 0%. Move to 1 second and 15 frames, and change this value back to 100%. Click on the core size to create a keyframe here, when its value is 10.3. Then move forward to 6 seconds and change this value to 0.8. Click Q on your keyboard to reveal all the keyframes, select them, then click F9 to ease them. Now, click Ctrl D to duplicate this layer, and rename it Top Fire. Click Q to reveal all its keyframes, then grab the last keyframe and drag it to 4 seconds and 15 frames. Also, click on Render Settings, and change Composite Settings to Transparent. Put your logo layer between the two fire layers. Move to 1 second and 15 frames, and drag your layer like this, to make it start from here. Click T, to open opacity. Click on the stopwatch to create a keyframe, and change the opacity to 0%. Move 1 second forward, and change the opacity value to 100%. Place your particles layer on top of all layers. Change the resolution to half, and let's check our final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to create a burning logo reveal in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. See you soon.